Meaning of hayrick.
hayrick,
Hayrick.
hayrick,
Hayrick. A hayrick is a stack of hay that is usually shaped into a conical or cylindrical form. It is often used as a method for storing hay in order to keep it dry and prevent spoilage. The term hayrick can also refer to the location where the hay is stored, such as a barn or shed. In rural areas, hayricks were a common sight and served as important sources of food for livestock during the winter months. Today, while the use of hayricks has declined with advances in agricultural technology, they still hold an important place in the cultural heritage of farming communities.